Fisher Investments Review 2025. Is it worth it? Most people get this wrong, but choosing an investment advisor isn't about flashy returns, it's about long-term alignment. Fisher Investments is a well-known name in wealth management, but is it actually worth it in 2025? Fisher Investments is an independent, fee-only investment advisory firm that primarily serves high-net-worth individuals. The firm focuses on portfolio management using a top-down investment approach, meaning they analyze global economic trends first, then build portfolios around those insights. Here's how it works. Clients typically need a minimum investment, often in the six-figure range. Fisher then creates a customized portfolio based on your goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. The surprising truth is that Fisher does not try to beat the market with short-term trades. Instead, it emphasizes disciplined, long-term strategies. One major advantage is experience. Fisher Investments manages hundreds of billions in assets globally and has decades of market history. Clients often praise the communication, including regular updates, calls, and educational materials. However, you won't believe what happens next if you're fee sensitive. Fisher charges an annual management fee based on assets under management, which can be higher than robo-advisors or passive index strategies. There are also no guarantees of outperforming the market. Another downside is accessibility. This service is not designed for beginner investors or those with smaller portfolios. In conclusion, Fisher Investments is best for investors who want hands-on portfolio management and personalized service. If you value professional guidance and can meet the minimums, it may be worth it in 2025. If low-cost investing is your priority, other options may fit better.